Hello and welcome to the latest update from the Met Office. This weekend's weather will look like spring for much of the time, and sometimes it will feel like spring with plenty of sunshine by day, but it will also feel like winter at times with cold winds from the east and a frost fairly widely at night. Friday night, certainly a frost for many areas, especially across central parts of the country where the wind falls light with clear skies in place. Temperatures falling -1, -2, -3 degrees, that sort of thing in sheltered spots. Main urban areas and around coasts, and where we've got this wind picking up, temperatures just holding up above freezing. And the wind will pick up. We've got high pressure set over Scandinavia, and we've got weather fronts trying to move in from the west. They will squeeze the isobars together just a bit, just enough to make it an increasingly windy weekend. That wind will be noticeable because it's going to be feeling raw. And so despite plenty of sunshine and after that frosty start, temperatures will recover. Despite all that, it's going to feel cold in that wind. Temperatures reaching double figures in many western areas. 12 degrees, 13 degrees in some of the sunnier spots further west, but feeling much colder than that. And the wind bringing in some cloud to East Anglia in the southeast, a few showers as well, and the air is cold enough that some of these showers will fall as hail or graupel, soft hail, the type of hail that sometimes gets mistaken for snow. So watch out for some of that in East Anglia in the southeast during Saturday and perhaps into Sunday as well. Otherwise, it's just a dry and bright weekend with clear skies at night, those temperatures falling away once again, and another widespread frost forming by Sunday morning. Again, windier conditions further west will keep things frost-free, but inland in central areas, -2, -3 degrees as we start off Sunday. Similar conditions for Sunday itself, high pressure there over Scandinavia. You can see the extent of the blues across the UK, really quite cold air arriving. If this was winter, it would be bitter outside, but because it's summer, the sun has strength to it. So if you are out of the wind on Sunday, it's going to feel pleasant with a long spell of sunshine. But it's in that wind, feeling cold, and the wind reaching gale force at times across exposed parts of western Scotland and over the hills and mountains of northern Britain as well. The wind particularly strong. Now on Sunday, there'll be a fair amount more cloud in the sky compared to Saturday. In the west, it will be this high-level cloud that is coming in ahead of a weather front. That weather front bringing cloud thick enough to give a few spots of rain for the far southwest of Cornwall. So milkier skies in the west on Sunday. Generally more cloud cover elsewhere as well, and it's not going to feel particularly warm under that cloud. When the sun goes in, we'll notice it because it's suddenly going to feel quite cold again. And in that wind, like I say, 7 or 8 degrees on the coast, feeling more like 3, 4, 5 degrees. But there's more details, as ever, on the Met Office app and via the Met Office social media channels. Bye-bye.